Super 24 TV nusuni agudie mu nsem mrena saso ba ko biom ye de brew ewofia ekwamada ho de ekotwi ekobremman from south to north, from east to west, ena yaka ni nyina aboma ye de ebro ba bia wo hwe firi bia no ye chiawo ena ye mo wakwaba eba Kotoko Ghana football channel iso otonka mu na wo hwe wo abrochi wo sori anopa wo dampem ena wo hwe unam street no so ena wo hwe anasa wo to shop ena hwe ye chiawo na ya mo wakwaba aba Super 24 TV no so send ye taka no information e wo wiase enya to hope na ye de bro real quick on this channel. Me pa cho unsubscribe ya wadaroma na wa hit the red subscribe button na wa bwadoma no so na ye dika subom no together join here on 0247 10 72 60 0247 10 72 60 a Kotoko reaction WhatsApp group no e hona engineer kese adwenchira kese kwan ne Kotoko next game a woni Nations FC kwan be fa so ahye no e hona mabedwafo ene Kotoko supporters across the globe we enye Ghana nko a international WhatsApp group America for so UK for so China for so because China for that is Ghana for more China enye China for as in Chinese into two for na gopo emayenti ase me ami di dwumani ho chiame ye from Nazar Hamza ubetimi aframe the blogman na answer na ye be proceed into the stories no fa message way as the light for our path for today 18th of April 2025, the year of our Lord. Let's learn to appreciate. The more you appreciate, the more opportunities you get. Let's learn to appreciate. The more we appreciate, the more opportunities we get. Obi ade mawa manenso wani. Let's show appreciation to that particular person, because the more we appreciate him, the more ABA opportunities ahodo e de amount e wa brabom enti yen appreciate especially good things yen nuanom bi yen namfofo nom bi ya wofo abusuam sukuu mu adwuma mu. Learn to appreciate. So this is our message for the light for our path today, 18th of April 2025, the year of our Lord, Easter. Nationwide and as a worldwide will be a celebrating Easter, but Asante Kotoko Hondo, any Ghana football Hondo. I will see a soccer mercy so now you better discuss in Semba Kumi Lubia yet from Asante Kotoko aftermath of Kumasi Asante Kotoko Elusu 3-0 meetings are course na meetings na a course no Bako Yakache Prosper OGUM na say Master Henry Ansu, senior man Henry Ansu oha not Joseph Ablo indisposed, unavailable. Senior man no I was with me starting no. Senior man no sani koto dwem bibia ne nine injury anywhere. OGUM, we don't understand the reason why Henry Ansu is being benched and Michael Sifar is signing recently no obo ahead of Henry Ansu, because Henry Ansu enye bad center back. Enti sa player ye friend Joseph Ablo enho dodo no ni wa. You let him say Samba Unel and Joseph Ablo pair has been one of the very best pairs ewo Asante Kotoko in recent years. But Sabaku Prana Baku ni wa. Player ye nyina enim say wabo utimi bone kama Henry Ansu. Waje man of the match near there, but ye busa inti meeting, you know. OGUM was asked about Henry Ansu whether or not or no injured as got technical reasons, but M24, especially the Kotoko supporters leadership meeting because so Accra and saying Accra and say meeting because so I know na me say enta me twa camera na see me so am the way etu na me himself the Kotoko next game against Nations FC. If Joseph Ablo will not be available, it should be player a friend Henry Ansu and Samba Unel. I was center back home. I told the beer Asante Kotoko no Eso pa. Nti sa wo your coach na sebi menka se unim de wo ya, but asem na meka. Enam club ne kese yo no nti. Sa wo tietie nipa no achi a, sometimes we be a mistake. And clearly yene Accra Lions game no minshia Asante Kotoko supporter onka sa asem we enche me ne ka game no asem o se ohu line up na no hu se Kotoko be lose. Ohu line up na no hu se Kotoko be lose. But some of these supporters yanso ena omoka say player everno Justice Blake kutodwoma yemre obrentem nti yemfa tenedummo ene to coach na sum ena ye ne Accra Lions on draw pay Justice Blake ena obo tenedu ena osakofa player bi ba ya yinyina yinim no, which is Michael Chedram na nti na nipa ntiase ena nim ho nso entwi yenim se na nse na epikima no baba yaya epikima no even se baba yaya or say chances pa but we creator omumi anu nso we drop enti nipa dwen ho a nipa ntiase enti de ekoba ne se enam pressure supporters leadership no e de ba bonten ene Alex Manu former supporters chairman, which is K5 Kokoponsa K5 enso de nanu betum and mention players be positions say omu hu ne ye enti ma coach no na adwen say obey changes and the changes no okọ wayward e ma ne ye extreme eno nti na me de dodo na ka se ekofa Accra Lions defeat ne by but menu no Kotoko amutahe channel we no yen sha de bi nso say Asante Kotoko no ene Real Madrid mu ne sa elali mu na oye ka ye kesi yo a na se ye nyina ya football na cha Real Madrid utimi ko lose normal, but once in a while it happen nti ye de no ni kwan say ye man hye so e man affect ye na deny the chance to win the league. Any kwan say ye dache. What we know of big clubs, they say they don't sleep for long. Setback beat me back. Small club are shadow, but unko da honche. Oh yeah, I'll be sorry, no bouncing back. This should be a bouncing back moment for Asante Kotoko against Nations FC. Nami Adoma Sunday. Historians never chose Nations FC by any day. League num ewo omuhum venue Asante Kotoko ntimi enhye. But football, there is always the first time. Some of us will GD say Nami Adoma Kosiada Kotoko. Ebenya the maximum 3 points ewo Abraham Kese. Yemfam paibo entire team nechi. Now this time around, Nyoma bia no, we should get it right. Coach of the side, Prosper OGUM, Ebusa DB from Asante Kotoko supporters. Or say let's be patient with the team, and Asante Kotoko is still in the title race. Technically, on paper, Asante Kotoko is still in the title race. Coach they say the SC any kwan say me a share yesu bebre na esabe top players no so. His confidence say things is going to shape up and Asante Kotoko is going to be back on the Premier League table. Because clearly, they say the Adena say Kotoko has a chance to win the league, and the league can also slip out of Asante Kotoko and sim because the only league is here, maybe any Go Stars or 50 points and Asante Kotoko 47 points. Kotoko ne bebo. It is a Kotoko eshana watai. But what I say, let's say I finish every head to head ne bia 6 or 7 games now can draw PP. Inti I think say at this juncture, any can say as a big club, Yamaya Bemubu, Niankusu, Impushi. Manfo keka Uguma Sweden. Let's look at the larger picture, which is Asante Kotoko. Me, you bet me I can for now and then on this Easter day. But Henry Ansu, senior man Henry Ansu, so Joseph Ablonya available. Henry Ansu should start ahead of Michael Sipa with all due respect. With all due respect to Michael Sipa. Henry Ansu has proven say bit mapo. It is a Joseph Niwa Henry wo Joseph Niwa Henry wo inti seniors medusia echa bebre the blog man me wie madwuma me da se bebre me call long time